I have here a toilet pump. This is going to be super handy if you have a toilet that doesn't live above a sewage pipe. This is going to be super easy to make it so you can install your toilet wherever you want. So it comes with some really nice instructions that'll help you with the installation. This does have 2 different outlets, one here and one here, and then 5 separate inlets. You've got 1 on each side here, 2 on the top, and then the big one right here for the toilet. So you can have your toilet, your sink, your bathtub, shower, a handful of things coming into this, all being pumped out through either this line or this line. So this is capable of pumping the sewage water vertically 39.4 feet, as well as horizontally 394 feet, and it has a 3,000 gallon per hour flow rate. So this is only 45 decibels, so it's going to be super quiet, and it's going to be 0 odor, 0 hassle. You're just going to get everything set up, and it's just going to work. So here you can see all of the accessories it comes with, as well as the clamps and the adapters to hook everything up and get it ready to go. So this toilet pump is super nice. It's going to be hassle-free. You don't have to use the traditional activated carbon style pumps. You can just set this up and this will replace everything and work just like you expect it to. It's got a high capacity, a lot of flow rate. This is going to be a great pump to use if you don't have the drainage like a normal sewage. You can use this and make it work wherever you want to put a toilet.